Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts What's in the Box. My name is Jake and today I am going to be going over what is in January's Smart Art box. We got a lot of fun stuff this month, so let's hop down below and get this box open. Alright, so when you open your box, you will be introduced with your Smart Art brochure full of some very fun stuff. Open it up for a history of the materials in this box, along with a list of products that are in here as well. Flipping next to the Quick Start Guide, this is where you get a more simplistic way to utilize these products. The next set of pages is where the Skill Challenge Guide is. That'll help you push yourself a little more in using these products for this month. And flipping to the back of your brochure, this is where you're going to find some pointers to help you achieve the best that you can with this box, as well as your weekly prompts for this month. So the first product out of this box is the Royal & Langnickel carrying case with 7 brushes. This is a durable carrying case that features a fully zippable setup to help secure all your brushes while you're on the go. And if you open it up, it has a stitched in elastic strap, which can hold up to 18 standard size brushes. The next thing out of the box is the Hammermill Zigzag watercolor book. This book features a very fine grained watercolor paper that is folded in an accordion style. This is a very durable paper that allows great flow of paint. I always enjoy the paper from Hammermill, so I know for a fact I am going to love this paper today. And the next product out of this box is the BRUYNZEEL watercolor pencils. This set of 12 watercolor pencils comes in this beautiful tin case, which is always my favorite. These vibrant pencils are durable and designed to help reduce any breakage while being used. And the final product out of this box is the TALEN'S Art Creation watercolor set. This set contains 8 colors. These paints can be applied and thinned out using water to create very transparent washes. The more water that is used on these paints, the lighter and lighter they get, but keep in mind that when these paints dry, they aren't waterproof. So make sure you don't spill your coffee or your jug of water on your painting when you're done. But that is everything in this box. Let's eat our little piece of candy here and get into using these materials. So for this piece, I am doing kind of a ink and wash. So to start off, I am going in with a very fine liner pen and lightly scratching in the areas that are going to be darker with shadows and just adding some detail to the piece. This bird right here is a Stellar Jay, and I love any bird that is in the blue jay family. They have just this beautiful look to them, and they have my favorite color, blue, in them. But I am going to be quiet and let you guys enjoy the coloring process of this piece, and I will see you guys at the end of this video for the final results. Alright everyone, that is everything in January's Smart Art box. I had a lot of fun making this. Here's the final piece. I think it turned out really good. But now it's your turn to see what you can create using the materials in this box. Now make sure not to forget about your weekly challenge prompts that are in the back of your brochure, and not to miss any of the weekly challenge videos where I tackle them myself. Complete all 4 of the weekly challenges by the end of the month and post them using the hashtag SmartArtWeekly and SmartArtProject to get your 500 peacock points. Also, make sure to check out the new Smart Art set of boxes called the Smart Art Bundle, where each box has a very specific set of materials in it. If you want more information on it, make sure to check out the Smart Art webpage. So make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!